Okay, so let's talk about multiplying monomial by a polynomial. So again, when we multiply a monomial by a polynomial, we apply the distributive property. And when we perform the distributive property, we multiply each term by the monomial. Okay, so let's have our example. We have here 2xy multiplied to 8x squared minus 3xy squared. Okay, so let's apply the distributive property in simplifying this expression. So here, let's multiply 2xy to each term. So let's multiply 2xy to our first term. And again, when we multiply a monomial by monomial, we multiply the coefficient by a coefficient and variable by the variable. Again, when we multiply the variable by variable, we perform the product rule, wherein we copy the base and then add the exponent. Okay, so here we have 2xy multiplied to 8x squared. So let's multiply the coefficient by the coefficient. So 2 times 8, that is 16. Then let's multiply x by x squared. So x times x squared. So we copy the base, x, and then add the exponent. So there is an invisible 1 here. So 1 plus 2, that is 3. And then, so since y doesn't have any partner, we will just copy y. So their product will be 16x raised to 3y. Okay, now let's proceed to the next one. Let's multiply the monomial by our second term. So again, coefficient times coefficient, variable times variable. So we have 2 times negative 3, that is negative 6. Then x times x, so we multiply the variable, apply the product rule. So copy the base and then add the exponent. So 1 plus 1, 2. And then let's proceed to y times y squared. So again, copy the variable y and then add the exponent. So 1 plus 2, 3. And that's it. Our product of this monomial and polynomial will be 16x cubed y minus 6x squared y cubed. Alright. Ta-da! And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.